The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.
I wonder if I'd ask you about a problem maybe that you helped a customer solve who was struggling with a mass finishing process. You kind of came in, you helped solve it. What was the problem, and how did you go and work to solve that for them?
This was a process that we worked on with the U.S. Mint, actually. When they first came out with the gold dollar, we worked on a product to help remove the oxide that came out of the anneal furnace. So these blanks had a very heavy oxide, and we had to come up with a product in a mass finishing environment was able to remove the scale before the scale actually got burnished. So they were putting parts into steel media finishing equipment. And in very short order, the steel media can actually start to burnish that oxide. And once you've burnished the oxide, it's almost impossible to get it off. So we had to come up with a chemistry that could very quickly remove that oxide before it had a chance to burnish. So that's something that I worked on a number of years ago, and it's still being used today.
To hear more stories from the field, go to hubbardhall.com or wherever you stream your podcasts.